Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to use an EpiPen. An EpiPen is a life-saving device designed to administer epinephrine during severe allergic reactions. First of all, hold the EpiPen firmly with your one hand with the orange tip pointing downward. Remember, blue to the sky, orange to the thigh. Remember to never put your fingers over the orange tip or black base, as this is where the needle comes out. With your other hand, pull off the blue safety cap. Do not touch the black base, it may activate the device accidentally. Now to inject the medication, place the orange tip against the outer thigh, making sure it's at a right angle to the leg. Push the EpiPen firmly into the thigh until it clicks. Hold it in place for 3 seconds to ensure the complete dose is delivered. After administering the EpiPen, call emergency services right away, even if the symptoms subside. Remember, EpiPen is not a substitute for professional medical care. Always carry your EpiPen with you if you have a history of severe allergies.